Good morning, y'all. So today is April 17th. It's Easter Sunday. It's currently like 11:35. Clearly I'm back at home. I haven't even started editing the Atlanta vlog. I'm way behind when it comes to editing. Like, I want to film, but when it comes to editing, I need a lot more energy. But anyways, I came back home to a special hold on. Before we get into this vlog, if you're new here, hey girl, my name is Jayla. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. Anyway, so I came back home to a special, well, I got back home on Tuesday. And then this package, you can't tell where it's from, but it came on Thursday, and I ordered it maybe like a week before that. Yeah, so it came within a week, so good, pretty good timing. I'm excited though to share y'all the goodies I got. So I participated in the Sephora VIP sale, and so of course your girl had to get some things because this is the only time Sephora gives a discount is during this sale. So I was like, oh yeah, I'm finna splurge, you know. Sale. Like, I kept looking on Sephora's app like every day, like looking at reviews on something like skincare I wanted to buy, some perfume I had my eyes on. So I finally made that purchase once I was able to once the sale came. But anyways, let me show y'all what I got. I got a little bit of everything. I got some hair stuff, skincare, and perfume stuff. So once I take these braids out, which I have a hair appointment not this week but the next week, so like a week and a half from now, I want to do some hair masks, because every time I take my hair out of braids, like my hair is just kind of like brittle and it's not the same as it was before. So I wanted to like give it some TLC. So first thing, I never tried this brand, but I've heard good things and I've seen the good reviews. So I got the Olaplex number 8. It's the Bond Intense Moisture Mask, and it's supposed to moisturize, smooth, add body and shine, and it's for all hair types. So I probably will get like 3 uses out of this because it's only 3.3 fluid ounces, and it depends on how thick it is. Then I also got the Hair Perfector Repairs and Strengthens. This is how that looks. Use this once a week. It's for damaged hair, which I technically don't have damaged hair, but anyway, I wanted to try this, so I'm excited to try this too. I don't know if you can mix them and put both of them on, but we're gonna see. So skincare, I really indulged in the skincare because I'm running out of my face wash, moisturizer, and I need a new serum because the serum that I have is not giving and it's not working for me. And I'm like really trying to get rid of these like dark spots right here before summer approaches us. So I was like, let me just buy some new stuff. First thing I got was the Tatcha Rice Wash. This is how that looked. Called the Tatcha Rice Wash. It's a soft cream cleanser. So I'm gonna be trying it, and I love the purple bottle. I love me some purples. I don't need a new toner. I still got a lot of my other toner, but the toner's not working for me. So, and I got it from the CCO cosmetic company store, so it was cheap. So I just tapped into a new one. This hyaluronic acid toner. It's from the Ink List. It's best for blemish prone. Oh, this is for oily skin. I don't got oily skin. Okay, so it says keep helps keep skin healthy and clear from blackheads and fine lines. I don't know if this is gonna work for me, because I only get pimples when it's the time of the month, and like I'm getting some pimples now since I've been like using a lot of edge control. It's more like I need to work on my dark spots when those pimples come during the time of the month. But this don't seem like it's gonna work for me. I don't know. I'm gonna have to Google about this and see if it's worth it, or I'm gonna have to exchange it. On to moisturizer. I am pretty much out of, I have some SPF sunscreen moisturizer, so I'm definitely gonna be using more of that as the sun is coming out around moisturizer, because that SPF is not super moisturizing. So I got the Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Cream. It gives dewy moisture and it like plumps your skin. This is how it looks. So this is what I really need, was a serum. So I got the 10% waterless vitamin C serum, and it brightens and targets dark spots. It's from Pharmacy. That's how it looks. I actually put a little bit on this last night, and I forgot that it said waterless. So when I was putting it on, it like felt like really like an oil, not really like a real serum. So that's pretty different. But I'm gonna really just like apply right here, maybe right here, and then like this spot right here that's slowly but surely going away, because this is really what I need. I also got me an eye cream from The Ordinary. This was like cheap, like less than $10, because as you can see, your girl got dark spots. Dark spots don't really bother me. It just makes my face look tired. I also got a tightening neck cream. I don't really need to tighten my neck, but if you could see, like I have like dark areas, and this is supposed to lighten up the area, and it's just a travel size. That's how it looks. So hopefully this works. I got one makeup thing. I've been wanting this product for the longest, and I seen a couple YouTubers wear it, and I was like, oh yeah, I love this color, I need to buy it. And Ulta, that's up the street from my house, has been sold out of it for a minute. So I was like, oh yeah, I'm finna get it on Sephora. But it's the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Is in the color Sweet Mouth. Y'all, when I tell you, this Sweet Mouth is bomb. Like, I'm gonna put a little bit on, and like it's so smooth, like, and it's just natural. Like, you can't really see it, it's not giving justice here, but I don't want to put too much on since I'm about to go work out after this, so it's really not worth it. But it's bomb. It's bomb. I love it. I need one in my purse. I need one for home. I need one for my car. I need a few. Y'all, I've been becoming a perfume girl. I'm just starting to build my collection, and I love it. Like, it's a new obsession of mine. Even though I don't wear perfume every day, I want to build my collection. I only really wear it if like I'm not working. Like, I'm not wearing it to work. I'm not wasting my expensive perfume at work, especially because I wear a uniform. Like, no. Maybe when I get into my career, I'll wear perfume if I'm going into the office or something. But anyways, let me show you guys the perfume I got. So this perfume I got, I've been wanting this perfume. I didn't get the little 1.0 fluid ounces. I needed the middle size because I love this perfume so much. It is the YSL Libre perfume, the 1.6 fluid ounce. I'm so excited because I have this in a travel size and love it. Love it. I still have it. I need to finish it. But once I finish it, or actually I'm not gonna leave. I'm gonna just start using this so I can carry it. I can carry the travel size in my purse or when I go out of town. But Y'all, this is how it looks. Oh, it looks so good. Oh, and it has the little chain right here. I don't want to spray it right now because I need this. So I've never had something from Dolce & Gabbana, but I got the Dolce & Gabbana one and only perfume. Y'all, it smells, it's giving very much, I don't know, I say all perfumes gives very much grown women, sexy, but this one and only perfume, y'all, this smells so good too. And I've never like really like tapped into Dolce & Gabbana, but they did their thing on this one, so I'm excited to start using her. But anyways, my camera's about to die, so I'll check in with y'all later. I'm supposed to be doing something today for Easter. So yeah, I'll see y'all in a minute. What's up, y'all? So today is Saturday. I currently have this scarf on because I'm waiting for my edges to lay down and dry. Your girl is about to go to the fair. I'm excited. It's the spring fair. We're not gonna ride rides. We're just more there for the food because your girl is starving. She's ready to eat. I just got this plaid, black and white plaid shirt on, this like jean jacket that kind of like has a sweatshirt but it's fake, whatever, some leggings, and my blue Air Jordan 3s. So just a chill vibe today. It's sunny out, like the sun's out, but it's still like windy and cold. I think it's only like in the 50s. So anyway, I want to put on some perfume. So let me go look in my perfume collection and I'll be right back. Okay, so for perfume, I'm gonna wear the Yes I Am. I still got all my perfume in boxes. I don't know why, I just don't want to take them out of boxes yet until like I can get like a stand and set them out, all that. But this is how it looks. I haven't wore her yet, so we're gonna like test out the wear. Hopefully it lasts all day. So, but it smells really good. And I didn't feel like putting y'all in my tripod because I need to charge my battery before I leave. So yeah, it smells good. Actually, and I like the spray of this. It's very good in my opinion. Okay, I got it on my camera. Anyways, I'm gonna let my battery charge and let my edges dry, and I'll catch y'all at the fair.
Yeah. I find you, I give you all you need. I know I can lie. I feel it coming. Time is of the gas.
What's up, y'all? So today is Sunday. I took my hair out. I still got that hard part, but my hair is very greasy, sticky, oily, all that. But your girl gets it done on Tuesday, so I have a bit for it to breathe, whatever. I'm gonna comb it out tonight and just wear it in a ponytail tomorrow for work, and when I go to work on Tuesday before my appointment. So yeah, I actually like this like braided up look, but in a ponytail. I'm not wearing it out, but in a ponytail it actually looks cute to me. I don't know why. But anyways, last night was fun. We went to the fair, got some food. I didn't get to film as much because my camera was dying, but I did want to show you guys what I got. I also got me some scones. I got a dozen scones. I gave some to my grandma. I gave like half to my grandma, and I got about 4 or 5 left. So yeah. And then me and my boyfriend went to the bar, kicked it a little bit. So yeah, that's how yesterday went. Your girl went to the gym this morning. Yeah, I really didn't feel like it because I was tired, but I did it anyway. Washing some clothes, ate a little bit of dinner. I'm about to get in the shower. I haven't showered yet. I went to the gym at like 12 and it's like 4 or 5. I wanted to take my hair out before I hop in the shower. I don't know. I just felt like I could have a comfortable shower when I took these braids out. So anyway, your girl's about to hop in the shower. I also dropped a vlog. Your girl is back being consistent. So I want to start being consistent, okay? We got to. It is a nice day, but I'm not doing much today. But anyways, I'm gonna catch y'all later. I don't know if I pick up the camera, then I'll see you. Otherwise, I'll catch y'all tomorrow, or in this case, a couple seconds. Actually, I'm back. I want to burn a new candle, so I'm gonna burn watermelon lemonade, and it smells just like what it is. It smells like watermelon candy. I don't really smell much of the lemonade part, but it smells good. What's up, y'all? Today is Thursday. We are about to go bowling. Your girl hasn't been bowling in a very, very long time, but I'm super excited because I've been wanting to go for a while. And I'm also excited too because your girl don't got no nails, so she won't be breaking a nail today. When I went bowling before, I broke a nail and I just wasn't happy about it. But your girl's not that good at bowling, but we'll see how we'll do. I haven't been vlogging for a very long time. It's maybe been like a week and a half. I'll check in with y'all once we get to the bowling alley.
6. Yeah. 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 The price I want for sure, you gon' need 3 promoters. I got the body from Jim Ellis, but I had switched the motor. I got these badass bitches running around this bitch, named all the coders. Yeah. I just told her make a store run. Yeah. I just bought all the Trojans. Yeah. Yeah. I told her stab my lips. Yeah. I told her stop telling everything she seen and told her meet me at the Ritz. I got baguettes in the back of my ring and I went in trying to hit. I told her she gotta run through the team before she can talk to the lit. Before she can talk to the, yeah. Laptop, I just pulled up in some foods. I told her mama tie all my shoes. Showed her 2 million cash, now she woozing. 20 matches and I'm still snoozing. I had came up out the trenches, then I had beat a few bodies like Boosie. She said you work on I show you my coochie. I had to sing to this bitch like Latusi. Yeah, 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 yeah. Bitch got a backwood on her nightstand. She must be fucking with Gunna. I fuck with slacks and we gonna eat racks and I came with some fucking piranhas.